So I've put loads of grease on all the bushes. I've put the internal bush on, and also as well I'm using the end cap. There you can see the bush in there as well. Loads of grease on it, and now I'm gonna push it in on the vise. I mean, if you've got a proper tool for the job, I suppose it's always best, but for me a vise is gonna have to do. So it's come up tight, and that's because the inner one's stopping now. So I take that out, and I'm just going to do that last little bit, just that lip. Just going to close it up so that it touches onto the frame. And I can feel that's tightened up now. Just maybe it just needs just a tiny tweak. That's it. That's all done. So now it's all greased up. Loads of grease. I'm going to literally cover it in grease when I put it all back. Loads of grease on the spindle, everywhere. Pack it with grease as much as possible. Hopefully it will last a bit longer this time. Any questions, let me know. Thanks.